simple. I have these two beautiful fresh farm fresh eggplants. I'm going to peel the skin off, then we will chop it up and we'll steam it. It will take like 10 minutes. I'm also going to get some tomatoes ready, so while your eggplant is steaming, you can get the tomatoes prepped, you can chop them up, you can blend them, and we will also have our onions ready as well. All right, let's get to work. So here now the pan is heating up. I'm going to add water, not too much, just enough to steam the eggplant. Once the water is hot, let's add in our eggplant. And we'll cover this pan and we'll let eggplant become a little soft. And eggplant already has lots of moisture, so it doesn't need a lot to cook. And because we have removed the skin, which can slow down the process, this will be super quick. So let's cover it. We'll give it 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll check on our eggplant and we'll blend it. All right, now that the eggplant has been cooking for a while, you can see the discoloration, change in color. It has become a little soft. So we are going to just put it in our ninja and we'll give it a quick swish so that it can be smooth. You can let the eggplant cool down a little bit, or if you're in a rush, you can simply transfer it while it's still a little warm into your blender. Let's do that. So now we're going to give it a quick swish. Beautiful, exactly the texture I was looking for that smooth dip, for that smooth curry. Now that eggplant is well blended, we are ready to flavor it. So let's heat a pan. We'll add a little bit of oil and we'll go from there. All right, so here the oil is heating up. And once this oil is hot, we can add in some spices of our choice. Flavorful spice. I like to have some cumin seeds. I'm also adding in some onion seeds here. Mustard works really well too. You can add some mustard seeds. So along with cumin, nigella seeds and mustard seeds, we will add in our onions and tomatoes in this. So onions will have to cook first before we add tomatoes. The onions will sizzle along with these seeds. I'm just using one onion. You can use more if you prefer. So adding a little bit of salt. I prefer adding less to start, and then if it's not salt enough, you can add more. But if you've added too much salt, then it's a problem. So something to keep in mind. Let's add some turmeric for the beautiful yellow color. And if you want a little bit of spice, you can add some chili flakes. You can also use cayenne pepper, paprika, degi mirch, chili powder, so many options. We'll let onions turn a little bit more golden before we add tomatoes. Now along with these sizzling onions, I'm adding some garlic. Garlic, tomatoes, eggplant, these flavors work really well together. Oh, the aroma of this masala is amazing. This beautiful color, what do you think? Isn't that gorgeous? Onions are looking beautiful. I'm going to add tomatoes and eggplant in next. Let's allow tomatoes to become a little bit tender before we add in eggplant. These flavors have come together beautifully. Tomatoes are soft, we will add in our eggplant. And this is going to be so yummy, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it a lot. We'll mix everything thoroughly. We'll let it cook for another 5-ish minutes. Let's just combine everything. Alright, that's it. Our dish is done. Now if you want to flavor it a little bit with cilantro leaves on top as a garnish, you can do that. You can also use kasuri methi, that's dried fenugreek leaves, or you can just dig in as it is.